Florida advocates and ambassadors, happy holidays and happy almost New Year. Thank goodness 2021 is almost here. But 2020 has been quite a time, and we can all agree to that. A global pandemic cast a surreal and long-lasting stress upon the world and our nation. Together, we've witnessed so many ups and downs, yet despite all of these incredible obstacles, the spirit of giving our best prevailed, and we accomplished so much together. Despite the hardships and despite COVID, yes, together we prevailed. It seemed an eternity ago, but just 11 months before, over 150 of us advocates from the Emerald Coast to Miami cast a purple hue on our state's capital. Rally and Tally 2020 featured the purple lighting for the 9th time and featured over 85 meetings with elected officials.
Alongside Governor Ron DeSantis and other agency leaders, we hosted a press conference announcing our state priorities on the Capitol steps. In March, the budget included $345,000 for the Brain Bus, and the dementia director position was signed into law. And off the heels of that big event, we were ready to take our purple power to Washington, D.C. for the annual AIM Advocacy Forum. Unfortunately, COVID-19 made it impossible for us to gather in the nation's capital. Just after that, Rally and Tally, the world changed, never to be the same. But we know how to rise from adversity.
Our new reality included working from home, social distancing, and wearing masks. As a policy team, we lean into the challenges with the new Zoom platforms and virtual everything. Within weeks, we began hosting a series of congressional town halls with the latest updates on COVID-19 and federal updates on all of our great legislation that we've been working on. We were the first state in the country to host a large-scale virtual events that featured members of Congress and officials from the state. In Florida, we became advocacy leaders in the virtual space, raising the level of awareness to heights we could not have even imagined pre-COVID.
For new people like me, it was so hard not to be in DC in person, especially after all the wonderful things I'd heard about Forum. So instead, we just brought DC to us virtually. In March, the Older Americans Act was reauthorized, including key components of our Younger Onset Alzheimer's Act. So now individuals living with Alzheimer's or other forms of dementia under the age of 60 are eligible for services. Then in May, we advocated for the newly introduced Promoting Alzheimer's Awareness to Prevent Elder Abuse Act. And this legislation requires the Department of Justice to create dementia-specific training materials. As of this month, thanks to your advocacy, it's headed to the President's desk for signature.
Now, we remain hopeful Congress will pass a new budget in December with our appropriations ask. We're also optimistic about the Improving Hope for Alzheimer's Act. It is truly incredible what we were able to accomplish together from our own homes. We not only worked to accomplish federal achievements, we led the country in some of our state government initiatives as well. In April, we partnered with the Department of Elder Affairs on Project Vital that was established at the governor's request to combat social isolation in long-term care facilities. Now, in Phase 3 of Project Vital, we are able to provide tablets for those living at home.
We advocated for the creation of a long-term care task force for the state, and in August, we were named to the governor's statewide task force for the safe and limited reopening of long-term care facilities.
We advocated for additional PPE for staff and loved ones and rapid point-of-care testing availability. In September, over 4 million rapid care testing kits were delivered to Florida, with the majority of them going to long-term care facilities.
Throughout the fall, we also worked with the Department of Elder Affairs and other key stakeholders to help update the Alzheimer's State Plan. The new 2020 plan will be used for the next 3 years to address dementia policy in the Sunshine State.
We also got new priorities approved for the State Health Improvement Plan, Priority 9. As we close the book on this whirlwind year, we hope you are as proud of your role in all we have accomplished as we are of you.
Our accomplishments in 2020 are that much sweeter because of you and your commitment to carry on. We need you now more than ever before.
And we hope you take some time this holiday season to raise a glass to you and all the amazing accomplishments that you've done. We prove there's nothing we can't do together with a collective will and dedication. Happy holidays.
Wishing you and yours a very happy holiday season and a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year.
We can't wait to see what we will do in 2021. and we're pretty darn excited to say goodbye to 2020. Even with these great accomplishments, bring on 2021.
And as always, from our homes to you, blessings, joy, and peace this holiday season until we see you again.